అందరికీ నమస్కారం. బ్రేకింగ్ న్యూస్. హైకోర్టుకు వర్చువల్గా హాజరైన హైడ్రా కమిషనర్ రంగనాథ్. కమిషనర్పై హైకోర్టు సీరియస్. ఈ డీటెయిల్స్ చూసే ముందు ఈ వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. మరిన్ని వీడియోల కొరకు మా ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.
Good morning, sir. Ranganath, the Commissioner, Hydra.
Yes, Mr. Ranganath, what is the status of your rider?
Sir,
What is the legal status?
Sir, we have actually responded in letter was given by the Tahsildar, sir.
On which date you have received a letter?
The letter
On
was
21st September 2023.
yes, sir. 21st.
What,
Yes, sir.
what is the request made to you?
They have requested for providing men and machinery to demolish the illegal construction, sir.
So, you have provided men and machinery.
Yes, sir. We have provided men and machinery, sir.
Can you one second, can you demolish on Sunday?
Sir,
Which is a holiday?
Sir, we have provided men and machinery and
Your men, no, Mr. Commissioner, please try to answer the question. You have provided men and machinery to demolish unauthorized construction on a holiday, Sunday. Yes or no?
Sir, we have similarly we have provided men and machinery in Kaur Hills also, sir. They have demolished.
Mr. Ranganath, please don't jump. Don't go to Kaur Hills. Please come to Aminpur. We are in Aminpur now. We will go to Kaur Hills little later. What is the request you have received from the Tahsildar?
To provide men and machinery, sir.
What for? What for?
For unauthorized demolishing the unauthorized construction.
On which date?
That was on 21st, sir.
21st is a Saturday. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. We have received
On which date you have provided men and machinery to the Tahsildar?
next day, sir.
Next day is Sunday. Can you demolish a structure? Can you demolish a structure on Sunday?
So it is for the Tahsildar to utilize, sir, on which day they want, sir.
No. Is it not your duty to tell the Tahsildar that Sunday demolition is impermissible? There is a judgment passed by this court. There is law. Therefore, sorry. Is it not your duty to say sorry to the Tahsildar?
Sir, we provide men and machinery, sir, on the request. We do
Mr.
not-
Ranganath, please don't beat around the bush. I am asking you, suppose Tahsildar request you to do a illegal thing. Can you do?
No, sir. How will we do that?
So Sunday, one second, demolition on a Sunday is illegal or not? It is in violation of a judgment of this court or not? Do you know that?
Yes, sir.
Then why you have provided men and machinery on Sunday to demolish a particular building?
So it is.
This is one.
Yes, sir.
This is one. Two, suppose Tahsildar makes you a request to do a particular thing. Is it not your duty to go through the record? Whether the request is proper or not? That is not your job.
Sir, we are only the provider as per the GO also, sir. We are only a coordinating agency. And as and when the requisition is issued by the revenue
Tomorrow,
authority.
Mr. Ranganath, one second, try to answer one more question. Tomorrow, Charminar Tahsildar request you to provide men and machinery to demolish High Court. Can you provide? Can you provide men and machinery to the Tahsildar Charminar? It is inside, under your jurisdiction, within ORR. Can you provide men and machinery to Tahsildar Charminar to demolish this High Court? Please answer, Mr. Ranganath.
No, sir. How can we do that, sir? No, sir.
Then why you have not inquired with the Tahsildar? Why you are demolishing on Sunday? What is the procedure the Tahsildar has passed? On what basis she came to a conclusion that the construction is illegal or unauthorized? Is it not your duty to verify the record? Can you simply provide men and machinery to the Tahsildar for demolition? Is it that your duty? What is happening, Mr. Ranganath? Did you go through my order, 22nd August 2024 order? I told you, please follow the procedure laid down under GOMS number 99. Don't show discrimination. You have to gain all three wings, legislature, executive and judiciary. We have to gain the confidence of the people. Did you go through my order?
Yes, sir. Sir, there are many such structures also where there are stays, sir, in Aminpur. We have not gone against any such.
Mr. Ranganath, I am not saying not to demolish anything. I never said.
Sir.
Just now I told your MRO, I only directed municipality, Aminpur, to demolish unauthorized construction made by a particular person on 3rd floor, 4th floor and 5th floor. I directed them to demolish by following the procedure and file photographs. I granted them 45 days time. I am not on any illegal or I am not justifying it. What all I am saying is you have to follow the procedure laid down under law. Sunday you can't demolish. Sunday you can't, one second, Sunday you can't provide men and machinery to the Tahsildar for demolition of unauthorized construction.
Sir, my submission, sir, there are umpteen number of such structures on which there are court stays and all or status quo, sir. We have not gone against that because we have highest regard for the courts.
I am not saying that you have regard or not regard. I am only particular about this particular case. Right? 2/4/2024 was the notice issued by Tahsildar under section 7 of Land Encroachments Act. He has submitted representation on 15/4 seeking 15 days time to submit explanation. On 18/4 explanation was submitted. 20th September, without providing opportunity to him, she has passed a speaking order. In the speaking order, she has not even referred 15/4 letter, 18/4 explanation submitted by the petitioner. On the same day, she has issued notice requesting the petitioner to vacate within 48 hours. That was served on the petitioner on 21st, which is Saturday, at 6:30. Next day morning 7:30, she has demolished everything with the support of Hydra. Is it proper, Mr. Ranganath? That's what she did. Can't she wait for 2 days? Having waited for 5 months from 2nd April 2024 to 20th September. Why you are demolishing? Why you are proceeding with demolitions only on weekends? There is a full bench judgment of this court, 3 SS. Please read the judgment. Sunday, weekends you can't demolish. So after sunset you can't demolish. That is the law. And against your Hydra, the other day the one council was making an allegation against you that in one interview you said people should scare purchasing properties near ponds and tanks. You want to terrorize the people or you want to maintain the law?
Sir, it is.
What is your intention?
Sir, it was never stated like that.
No, it was brought to my notice. I told him to file, one second. I told him to file translated copy of your interview, which is there in YouTube in this court. I told one council. And the other council, one second, other council brought to the notice of this court that you are talking about Article 21 of Constitution of India. What about Article 21 of the Citizen? There is a registered sale lead, there is a building permission, there is power connection, there is water connection, and you ignore everything, you will demolish on Sunday. Suppose there is a bona fide purchaser, a software engineer, he came to India from US, he wants to purchase a property, he goes to sub-register office, sub-register entertains a particular document. What does it mean? How you are protecting the government property? Is the way of protection? What is the fate of a bona fide purchaser? This is not the way, Mr. Ranganath. We are not happy. There is challenge to your GOMS number 99. There are 2 writ petitions. I have listed it tomorrow. If you continue this, I am going to grant stay tomorrow. I am not happy with your Hydra. Do you have 99 before you? GOMS number?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is object? Why Hydra was constituted by state? Not to demolish on Sunday, right? Not to demolish unauthorized constructions or authorized constructions on a Sunday. Yes or no?
Sir.
Even being a commissioner, you are not aware that you can't demolish structures on a Sunday, weekly off. What is the object of your Hydra?
So the objective is to address the issue of disaster management, sir. And
What do you mean by disaster management? Only demolitions? Only demolitions?
it's not that way, sir. Disaster management and asset protection are interlinked, sir. So
Then please come to 7.1.
yes, sir.
7.1, what is that you have to do?
Yes,
And
sir.
what are you doing?
Yes, sir. To protect assets of local bodies and government such as parks, layout, open spaces.
ఈ వీడియో నచ్చినట్టయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. మరిన్ని వీడియోల కొరకు మా ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.